guys, I just wanted to put together a quick little video about meal replacement protein shakes. Now, there's so much information out there, and I know it can be really, really confusing. But the most important thing that I want you to think about when you're, one, researching and considering replacing one of your meals with a protein shake, I want you to think about what's going to work for you. Now, to lose my 60 pounds, did do a meal replacement shake. Now, it's not the shake that I currently use, but it was a shake that I was using to replace one meal. Most of the time it was my breakfast, but to replace one meal a day with a high protein shake. Now, that shake was cheaper, and it didn't taste very good. I remember having to add a lot of things to it to get it down, and a lot of those things were unhealthy most of the time, or higher calorie things, so it was kind of counterproductive for me. But I came upon a product called Shakeology about 16 months ago, and I have to say that it's been my #1 game changer, and here's why. I'm not going to go over everything that's in it. I'm not going to go everything about it, but I am going to tell you that it's a shake that I don't have to add too many things to taste good. It tastes great by itself with water, and it provides as a perfect post-workout meal or shake for me, because it's a great high protein, low calorie shake that I'm able to utilize for my body. It helps curb my cravings, and I have to say that I sleep better, I feel better. I feel like I'm getting to enjoy a chocolatey treat every single day, something that I actually get to look forward to. When I go a day or several days without it, I can definitely tell that my digestive system is not exactly the way that I like it to be. I'm usually uncomfortable. I'm usually feeling dehydrated, and just my digestive issues aren't really up to par like they are when I am drinking Shakeology. Another thing is, I truly believe in data, I truly believe in research, and I truly believe in other people's stories about using different items and different products, programs, and things like that. And I remember being very uncertain about meal replacement shakes once I had lost my 60 pounds, because I did stop it after I was done with my 60-pound weight loss. And I realized that, and research even shows this, that when you are trying to lose weight and even to maintain weight, you need to be able to incorporate a high volume meal replacement shake, and a lot of times one that's going to be coming with high protein, so that you're feeling full longer. It's not just something that you're going to be metabolizing within 30 minutes to an hour and then you're hungry again. But you're also looking for something that's high in protein to satisfy you, and something that's low in calories. Now, that's the biggest catch, is a lot of the time meal replacement shakes are going to come with high protein, but they're also going to be coming with high calories, which can be counterproductive and kind of sabotage your weight loss or your maintenance goals. So I finally found one in Shakeology, and I love the chocolate formula. There's a lot of different kinds of flavors, so you got to find one that is actually going to be able to work for you. But I have to say, if you are looking for something that's going to curb your cravings, something that's going to help you sleep better, something that you're going to be able to put in your body without ever having to really think about it, because it's already there for you. It's sitting on your counter or your cupboard. You're going to add some kind of liquid to it, and you're going to be able to eat it, and you're going to be able to have that planned in your daily calorie intake every single day. Easy peasy.